How can you turn off the automatic light in the camera on iPhone? And let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So obviously by default, when you go to the camera, no matter if you're in video or photo, the lighting will be adjusted based on the scene, to make it look as nicer and just have this like automatic experience. To lock the exposure or light in the scene, you have to tap on the subject which you want to adjust the lighting. So, according to that, make sure that the subject is selected. So the lighting is selected for that. And then hold down on the little square which appears to make sure that you lock the automatic exposure as well as automatic focus. You'll see a little button saying AE/AF lock, which, as I said, stands for automatic exposure and automatic focus. And you can now also use your finger to slide up the sun next to it, so you can adjust the exposure, but it's locked in place, so it's not going to change when you move to a different location or you change some scenery or introduce more light to the scene. It will not affect the shot, right? Because you have selected and locked it manually. So that's pretty useful, right? You can set it up that way for your shots like photos and videos inside of the built-in camera. Outside of that, if you want to be more professional with it, I recommend you to check out the Final Cut camera application, which is more professional app for this, and it lets you select the exposure not automatically but manually, literally adjust it like that. You don't even have to lock the focus in place because the focus has its own separate controls and the white balance as well. So as you can see, it's more professional in those kinds of applications. So it depends on how much or how deep you want to go with this, but you can see you have plenty of things to pick from. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know in case you have any questions or something that you would like to know more about. It's possible I'll make the updated video for this as well. I make a lot of tutorials. So stay tuned for more by subscribing, and I'll see you later.